Today, we're diving into something really exciting, running DeepSeek, a powerful AI model, locally on your computer. So let's see the demo first. This is the UI of our AI agent. Here we enter the command. Now, it's thinking and reasoning. After reasoning, it gave the answer. Now let's ask it to write code to center the div tag using CSS. It's thinking again. After reasoning, it gave the answer. And it can run without internet connection. Isn't that awesome? So let's create the setup to run it locally. First, we need to download the Ollama. For that, go to this website. Then download the Ollama setup. After downloading, install it. It's installed. Now, go to Models page. You can download any AI model that you want, but right now, we want DeepSeek R1 model, so select it. Now choose the version of the R1 model. Size of the smallest model is 1.1 GB and the largest one is almost 400 GB. Large model gives better performance, but for that, you also need better hardware. However, right now, we'll choose smallest model as it is enough for our needs. Now copy this link. Then open Command Prompt. Paste that link here and wait till model is downloaded. My model is downloaded. We can test it by asking anything here. It gave answer, which means it's working perfectly. Now we need to download Chatbox AI software to get graphical interface. For that, go to this website and download the software. After downloading, install it. Now run Chatbox. It's asking to configure the AI model. Here, choose Local Model option. Then select Ollama API. Then select DeepSeek R1 model from this drop-down menu and save it. Now it's ready to use. Let's ask it some questions. First, it's thinking as its reasoning model, and then it gives answer. And that's it. You've successfully set up DeepSeek to run locally on your computer using Ollama and Chatbox. This setup is perfect for anyone who wants to experiment with AI without relying on external servers. It's also a great way to learn more about how these models work under the hood. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.